2021 Ford Bronco ECU tuning box kit improves the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 by giving it 54 horsepower. This is just amazing, folks. The Ford Motor Company launched the Raptor into production, and the Bronco customers are going to have to settle with the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 as the most powerful engine of choice. Now, Ford Performance doesn't offer any power upgrades at this moment, but aftermarket companies are jumping on, and they're jumping aboard, and they're coming to the rescue, folks. Based in Arizona, Vivid Racing have launched the ECU tuning box kit for the 6-cylinder engine that offers 54 more horsepower and 100 more pound-feet of torque. That is nice. But when it comes to wheel numbers, it's going to make 45 and 83 more for the 284 wheel horsepower and 450 wheel torque, compared to the 239 wheel horsepower and 267 wheel torque stock. Now, yes, Germany has made this plug-and-play upgrade. They promise no detection by the dealership. We remove up to 7 different maps for easy programming. Now, the VR Tuning ECU box kit, V2 that is, for the 2.7-liter Bronco, has OEM style connectors that don't require wire splicing or cutting, a weatherproof case, and a bypass plug, which is nice, folks. Now, it's tested on 93 and 98 octane gasoline. The control units cannot eliminate the check engine light stemming from the modification or emission control devices, such as the catalytic converters. Now, under federal law, you can't remove a functioning catalytic converter unless it's no longer working properly. So the replacement catalytic converter should always meet the state and the federal requirements. And the other problem is, according to the waiver posted by Vivid Racing website, the tuning box kit is for racing competition only, not legal for use on highways or street vehicles or other non-racing competition off-road vehicles. Wow. That sort of shuts everything down, folks. But if they offer it and you got the money, now if you want this tune, the tuning box kit V2, and you have a 2.7-liter Bronco, there's a compliance waiver. And basically saying that, hey, we're not responsible if something happens or if you get found out. So basically, they want it to only be used on race type of vehicles. But for $750 and getting more power from the V6, some people are just going to jump aboard and not care about no warranty or anything like that. But the thing that sort of hits home, and in some states there's a high emissions. You know, they have to check the cars every year for emission standards. And sometimes, if you can't remove a functioning catalytic converter, then you probably will be getting those the check engine lights from the modification of emission control devices. So if you modify, you don't want to modify the cats. So if you did modify the cats, you probably won't get a check engine light. You shouldn't, but just don't modify the cats. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. Have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.